Hello all, welcome back. Let's explore further. Today we're going to see the data transformation. This is again another important feature of the N8N. Here we can see code this is something very crucial in N8N wherein we could write certain codes to transform the data how we want. Only when we see in an example you will be able to see how powerful the code is. Date and time is to extract. There are a lot of data that we get wherein the date or the time is not in the format that we would need. Here we could transform that into the format that we want. Edit fields is yet another powerful one wherein we could modify the name or type of the field that we are getting in to be used much easier later. Filter is going to filter out the data that we are having. Limit is the one that we are going to limit. Say, for example, we are having 20 entries, so we want to limit it to 2 entries or 1 entry. We could do that. Remove duplicates, as the name says, it's going to remove the duplicates. Split out is something that is very useful, wherein we are having certain data and it's going to help us split in a certain format. We could give some JSON example as to how it needs to be split. Accordingly, the huge chunk of data which is not humanly readable splits out into the humanly readable format. Likewise, it's the opposite of it is the aggregate, wherein wherein we could combine those multiple datas which are there into a human readable concise form. Merge is uh, another important powerful tool which is having so many other operations within it. It is going to help us merge the data from 2 or 3 different nodes into a single node, and we could extract. So we are having a lot of important things to do that in merge. Likewise, we have compression wherein we could compress the file. For example, there is a Word document, we need to compress that into a small handleable size. We could do that. Likewise, we could uncompress it as well. Convert into file. This again has a lot of conversion options to JSON, to binary, to Excel, and all those other stuffs. Edit image is going to help do some actions like blurring, resizing, adding border, adding the text, and all those things. Extract from file is, for example, we are having a certain file and we need to extract certain information out of it, probably from a PDF or probably from a Word document. We could do that much easily here. HTML. This node is again another powerful one. We could do a lot of HTML based action on it. Markdown is another important topic which definitely we will cover separately in the days forward. Likewise to HTML we have the XML, and then sort is again sorting of the data. So we'll explore all of these nodes one by one in the upcoming videos. Thank you. Subscribe.